In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI to improve your writing. Whether you're penning down an important work document or crafting a personal project, Grammarly can be a game changer in enhancing the quality of your writing. Let's dive right into it and explore how easy it is to use this fantastic tool. Start by opening any document you want to improve. It doesn't matter what word processor you're using, as long as you have Grammarly installed. This could be an essay, an email draft, or just about any text that you want to polish. Having your document open is the first step toward unleashing the power of Grammarly. Once your document is open, you'll likely notice a little green logo, which is the Grammarly icon. It's typically located at the bottom right corner of your text editor. Clicking on this icon opens up the Grammarly interface, which is where all the magic happens. Ensuring you can see and interact with this icon is crucial as it serves as your gateway to a host of writing enhancements. After clicking the icon, Grammarly will immediately start analyzing your text and provide suggestions. These suggestions will appear on the right hand side of your document, marked by underlined words or phrases. You don't have to wait long. Grammarly works efficiently to identify any glaring issues such as spelling errors, grammatical mistakes, or even stylistic improvements. It's like having a personal editor sitting right beside you. When you review Grammarly's suggestions, you'll see that they're organized by type, such as clarity, engagement, and correctness. Click on any of these suggestions to see an explanation and more details. This interactive approach not only helps you improve the current document, but also equips you with knowledge to avoid similar errors in the future. As you go through each suggestion, you have the option to accept them with a simple click. By doing so, Grammarly will automatically make the corrections in your document. This feature is incredibly user-friendly and helps you instantly rectify errors without having to manually edit them yourself. For additional functionality, you can click on the Grammarly AI option. This opens up another layer of assistance. Grammarly AI can help you reformulate sentences or even brainstorm content ideas. When you prompt Grammarly AI to write for you, it generates text suggestions or corrections that seamlessly blend into your existing content, making your writing process even more efficient. In essence, Grammarly AI goes beyond basic grammar checks. It's a comprehensive tool aimed at improving the quality of your writing with minimal effort required from you. So go ahead and try it out on your next writing project. You'll be amazed at how much more polished and professional your work can become in just a few simple clicks.